Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to get started with DeepSeek in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to get DeepSeek on mobile, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To get started with DeepSeek, first of all, download the DeepSeek app from the Google Play Store or App Store. You can also use DeepSeek AI on a mobile or computer web browser. Once the app opens, tap on Sign Up or Log In. You can sign in using your email address or Google account. After signing in, you will be taken to the DeepSeek home screen. Now, tap on the new chat or message box to start a conversation. Type your question, prompt, or topic you want help with, and tap on Send. DeepSeek will generate a response based on your input. Once started, you can continue chatting, ask follow-up questions, copy answers, share chats, or use other available features.